If you thought the world of compact drones had reached its limit, the DJI Neo 2 will make you think again. This tiny powerhouse redefines what's possible for small flying cameras, packing incredible features into a 151-gram frame that's as light as it is intelligent. At first glance, the Neo 2 looks like a fun gadget for casual flyers, but beneath its sleek exterior lies a serious creative tool designed for filmmakers, adventurers, and anyone who loves capturing life from a fresh perspective. DJI has taken many of the features once reserved for its top-tier drones and miniaturized them into a model that's truly accessible to everyone, making it one of the most exciting releases of 2025. The camera system is where the magic starts. DJI has equipped the Neo 2 with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 12-megapixel stills and remarkably detailed videos. But it's not just about resolution. The quality and richness of the footage are what truly stand out. You can shoot crystal clear 4K video at 60 frames per second or even slow down your world with 4000 at 100 frames per second, a feature rarely seen on drones this small. The footage looks cinematic, whether you're filming a sunrise over the mountains, a bustling street scene, or your next travel adventure. With advanced image processing that enhances color vibrancy and contrast, your videos are instantly ready to share without needing heavy editing. Keeping your shots smooth and stable is DJI's compact 2-axis gimbal system, which performs remarkably well even in breezy conditions. It ensures that every frame looks balanced and professional, giving your footage that polished look creators crave. This stabilization, combined with DJI's powerful software-based image optimization, gives you the confidence to fly in almost any situation. But DJI didn't stop there. They also added an impressive suite of intelligent flight modes designed to make aerial cinematography effortless. The Neo 2 features DJI's upgraded FocusTrack system, which includes Active VTRAC, Spotlight, and Point of Interest modes. Active VTRAC now comes with an enhanced cycling mode that anticipates your subject's movement, allowing it to follow bikers, runners, or pets with remarkable accuracy. Spotlight mode locks the camera on your subject no matter how the drone moves, while Point of Interest mode automatically circles around a focal point, maintaining perfect framing throughout the shot. These tools transform complex filming maneuvers into one-tap simplicity, letting you focus entirely on creativity instead of control. Then come the fun, creative flight options that make DJI's drones so addictive to use. With features like master shots, quick shots, and dolly zoom, the Neo 2 lets you pull off cinematic moves that once required professional equipment. You can send the drone soaring upward for a dramatic rocket shot, create a dynamic orbit with Point of Interest, or perform a jaw-dropping dolly zoom that warps perspective for that Hollywood-style effect. And if you prefer hands-free operation, gesture control is now smarter than ever. Raise your hand to start recording or snap a photo, and the Neo 2 responds instantly, no controller needed. With palm takeoff and landing, your hand becomes both the runway and the landing pad, making it perfect for travel and spontaneous flights anywhere. Safety has been taken up several notches too. The Neo 2 includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing, a rare feature in a drone this small. It continuously scans its surroundings to detect potential hazards from multiple directions, helping even beginner pilots fly with confidence. Whether you're weaving through trees or exploring tight spaces, the Neo 2's smart sensors give you a layer of protection that keeps your flight smooth and stress-free. And despite its small size, the drone feels incredibly agile in the air. With a maximum tracking speed of 12 meters per second, it's quick, responsive, and ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. Battery life is often the Achilles heel of many drones, but DJI found an excellent balance here. The Neo 2's 1606 mAh battery provides around 19 minutes of flight time, which might sound modest, but given its compact size and performance, it's a solid figure. Recharging is fast, and with a few spare batteries, you can easily shoot for an entire session without missing the perfect moment. DJI also included 49 gigabytes of internal storage, so you won't need to rely solely on memory cards, but thoughtful touch that makes spontaneous filming easier than ever. Connectivity is another area where DJI went all out. The Neo 2 supports both Wi-Fi transmission and the powerful DJI O4 system. Using Wi-Fi, you can get a range of about 500 meters, which is perfect for casual, short-distance flights. But switch to O4, and that range explodes to an incredible 10 kilometers. This means you can fly farther, see more, and still maintain a crystal clear live feed, a remarkable feat for a drone that fits in your palm. DJI offers the Neo 2 in 3 bundles to fit different kinds of users. The Fly Solo package, priced at $259, includes the essentials: the drone, 1 battery, propellers, gimbal protector, screwdriver, and cables, perfect for beginners who just want to get started. For those who want more flexibility, the Fly More combo at $429 adds the Lurkin 3 controller, 2 extra batteries, a charging hub, and additional accessories. But for creators who crave immersion, the Motion Fly More combo at $599 is the ultimate setup, including the advanced DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controller for an FPV-style flying experience that feels like you're inside the action. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 strikes a near-perfect balance between simplicity and sophistication. It's small enough to slip into your pocket but powerful enough to deliver breathtaking, professional quality footage. It's clearly designed for both newcomers who want easy control and professionals who need reliable performance. Whether you're capturing a solo adventure, a family outing, or cinematic B-roll for your next project, the Neo 2 adapts to your needs effortlessly. It's not just another gadget, it's a creative companion that lets you tell your story from a whole new angle. But the story doesn't end there. Rumors suggest that DJI is already gearing up for another groundbreaking release, the DJI Avata 3. Early leaks hint at a radical redesign that leaves behind the bulky, toy-like look of its predecessors. The Avata 3 is said to feature a sleek, aerodynamic frame that prioritizes speed, control, and precision. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is a shift in the battery placement, now positioned toward the rear, allowing for better balance and more room for an advanced front-facing camera system. That new system is rumored to house a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive leap from the Avata 2's smaller 1.3-inch sensor. This means richer colors, better dynamic range, and incredible low-light performance. Imagine soaring through a forest at sunset or zipping between skyscrapers at night, capturing footage that finally looks as stunning as the experience feels. With enhanced motors, improved aerodynamics, and optimized power management, the Avata 3 is rumored to deliver up to 30 minutes of flight time, a major improvement over the previous generation's 23 minutes. Even stabilization may see a revolution. Reports suggest DJI might include a mechanical gimbal alongside upgraded rock-steady and horizon-steady systems, ensuring buttery smooth footage even during aggressive FPV maneuvers. Combine that with full 360-degree obstacle sensing and AI-assisted flight modes, and you've got a drone that's both safer and more capable than anything DJI has ever made. DJI's pattern of releases hints that the Avata 3 could debut between November 2025 and January 2026, with pricing expected to fall between $1,400 and $1,600 for the base kit. It's not cheap, but given DJI's track record, it's likely to be worth every penny for serious creators who crave cinematic control in flight. For now, the spotlight remains on the Neo 2, a tiny drone that delivers big-time performance and creativity. It represents everything DJI does best: innovation, user-friendly design, and cinematic power packed into a portable form. Whether you're a traveler, a content creator, or simply someone who loves technology that inspires imagination, the DJI Neo 2 proves that great things really do come in small packages. And with the Avata 3 on the horizon, it's clear that DJI isn't slowing down anytime soon. The future of aerial creativity is lighter, smarter, and more exciting than ever, and DJI is leading the flight path forward.